So sometimes you can see this error, unable to install app on iPhone. Please try again later. So, and it happened to me a few times. It's working okay right now. So what I would suggest you to do, there is like a service or app called Down Detector. It's also available as a website, and then you can just search here like App Store or Apple support or App Store usually. And then if you have this kind of errors, usually it means that there is some issues with an App Store. Then you will see in the comments that you can't update apps, or like something's got disconnected or something like that. And then yeah, you just have it like that. So yeah, that's basically what it is. So what I would just say, if you just go and check in the Down Connector app or some other that usually App Store is down, it means yeah, you just need to wait either a few hours, or you need to a few, maybe one day. Usually it if there is an error, maybe it's like huge outage, it can take up to one day. It means sometimes if there is an outage with their servers, if you restart your phone, anything, it still will be quite buggy. But you can always, just turn off your phone, turn it back on, and then just, try again. So you can try that. But usually if their servers are down, you will just need to wait, and you will see issues like sometimes like your apps just not gonna be able to download. There will be some glitches in the App Store. You tap on the app and then it's just nothing happening. All kind of weird bugs. Sometimes it just happens with the App Store, and then sometimes you just can't log in with your Apple ID. You can't switch Apple ID, and some kind of bugs like that. So don't freak out. Usually, sometimes it just happens. You just need to wait a few hours, restart your phone, double check in Down Detector that this outage issue was resolved, and that's that.